This is Jocelyn's new toy that she got for Christmas from Mommy and Daddy. And she loves it.
She likes looking at herself.
Melanie's playing with her. Is that fun? Are you having fun, Jocelyn?
Look. A 4-piece protractor.
Yeah.
And a water squishy to chew on.
How fun.
Or suck on.
Let's see your little view up here. How does it look? Oh, look at that. That's lots of fun. Yeah.
Look, Jocelyn. She's looking at herself.